walking towards the Indian restaurant to pick up my takeout Indian, and I'll just show you around towards it. This is the new Gulyas College, Vicente Gulyas Memorial Hospital, and that's their new entrance. They got like so-called a health resort inside. It's almost 6 o'clock. You can see it's not so traffic because it's holiday here in Cebu right now. It's charter day, so a lot of the establishment are closed. And this is one of the problems. We lack pathways here that people can walk. You're actually near the traffic. So this is the Spice, my favorite Indian restaurant. I believe they have the best Indian food we can buy here in Cebu City. So this is located in Banilad Road. That's going to Country Mall, and that's across the Owano Sports Complex here in Banilad, and they have grocery and bakery. So they also sell Indian bakeries, breads and cakes, and they also make cakes made to order. So if you just want to have a taste of the Indian snacks, you can buy it here in their counter. But I usually buy my stuff inside in the restaurant. Go inside to show you what's the ambience and the authenticity, because it's cooked by the wife of the owner and they help each other. This is the dining area for the students. They have a different menu for the students. And this is the main dining areas inside. Order kung take out. So this is the ambience inside. I got my takeout here on my takeout bag. I'm going back to where I parked so far in Jollibee because there's no more space here in the Indian restaurant. Now you can see how dangerous it is to be walking back because you're near the highway, the street. This is one thing what we don't have here in the Philippines is the walking pathways. So the pedestrians will be safe from the flowing traffic. Although they start making it now, if you see across, there is a walking pathway that's right above the street by like 5 inches up. But this side, it's still like straight on to the traffic. see some improvements around the city, that they are addressing this need for pedestrian walkways. They're putting it gradually around the city, but the big trouble is when they put those pathways, there'll be vendors selling something on it, which some of them is cast off, but when the officer will not be there, they start putting their wares again. So the pedestrians end up going to the road just to walk. And you've got this little pathway like this here in front, but only in certain areas. But most of the time we don't have pathways all around the city yet. And like I said, the problem is it's all congregated by street vendors, especially in the city.